Yes, good evening sa inyong lahat. So, nandito na naman po ang inyong lingkod para po mag-announce sa pinost ko sa GC natin. And it is all about the enhancement of loyalty program. So, starting May 1, 2024, we have an enhanced loyalty program. Yung system nagbago ngayon. So, I would like to explain it deeper para mas maintindihan ninyo ano yung pinagbago or na-enhance na ating system ng ating loyalty. So, our company actually valued our right to choose kasi ang nangyari po ganito kasi may mga affiliates na pag once na ang bonus product sa buwan na ito is halimbawa BioEFA. So, maraming ayaw mag-loyalty dahil ayaw nila yung bonus product. So, mag-regular order lang sila ng 100 LP, hindi na nila papatusin yung yung bonus product na monthly na binibigay ng company. Now, if ever naman, kung ibibigay ng company is TF Pure, hahanapin nila ang TF Plus. Pero kung TF Plus naman ay bibigay, hahanapin naman nila ang TF Pure. So, para tayong lahat is, mabibigyan yung kung anong gusto ng affiliate para lang talaga maging satisfied tayo sa gusto ng company. Binibigyan tayo ng satisfaction, right? So, ngayon, ang gagawin ng company is ibahin yung sistema ng loyalty. So, starting May 1, itong month na ito, we don't have a bonus product anymore. Okay? Wala na tayong bonus product na ibibigay ang company. But, wag po kayo mag-alala kasi mag-iipon po tayo for redemption. Para doon kayo sa redemption mismo, pipili ng product na gusto ninyo. Okay? So, ganito po yun. Ngayong May 1, starting May 1, okay, instead of bonus product, okay, so, pag once po nag 150 LP tayo, okay, another thing, pag sa loyalty po, tinanggal na po yung bonus product, at the other thing na tinanggal is, instead of 125 na magkaroon tayo ng bonus product, tumaas po tayo ng 150 LP. Pero wag nyo muna itong i-discourage ang sarili ninyo. Don't be discouraged because first and foremost, this is always advantage to us. So, any transition of the company, they see to it that all the transitions they will make is advantage for the affiliates. Okay? So, this thing is going to change. So, wala na tayong bonus product starting this May, first day of the month, up to the rest kasi sistema na binago. And then, instead of 125 na dati-rati may bonus product na, 150 po na LP ang kailangan i-maintain natin na 150 loyalty. Okay? Para po lahat magiging premier loyalty. Para naman po sisikapin natin na magkaroon tayo ng premier kumbaga member tayo ng premier loyalty para mas marami tayong may enjoy na perks and other incentives, okay, na ibibigay ng company sa atin. And that is advantage for us. Do not think na, ay naku, nahirapan na tayo na sa 125, ano na lang kaya ang 150? No, it's because that's what you are thinking. Pero kung para sa'yo, it's a big challenge and it's a great challenge kasi matuto tayong magpataas ng ating benta. Bakit naman hindi? Kasi yung mindset natin kasi nakasalalay din po yung magiging resulta. Kung mindset natin hanggang 125 lang, talagang 125 lang ang mapoproduce natin. Okay? Sasabihin niya pa ninyo na, 100 nga, hirapan pa. That's what you think. Okay? Marami pong paraan. Marami pong way para magkaroon tayo ng mas mataas pa na mabebenta sa market. Marami pong naghahanap, marami pong nangangailangan. Hindi lang po natin nakikita dahil po hindi po natin ginagawa yung sistema ng ginagalaw natin dito sa for life system natin. So, since wala na tayong 125 LP, nagiging 150 LP na, but the good news is, like this. So, pag once nag 150 ka, automatic may 35 LP ka or automatic may bonus ka na 35 loyalty points. Okay? 35 bonus loyalty point ang ibibigay sa atin ng company. Since nag 150 ka, ita-times pa po yan. Kumbaga payback yung 15% na ibabalik sa atin ng company para magkakaroon tayo ng pondo to have at least 85% discount po during the redemption. So, tax lang ang babayaran natin during redemption. Okay? So, kaya nga, mabibili na lang natin ng sobrang mura yung ating produkto the moment we redeem. So, one way to have a big points, okay, sa ating redemption is through our 150 loyalty. We will be given 35 bonus loyalty points plus 15%, which is 15% or 150 times 15%, that is 22.50, round off to 23. So, 35 na bonus loyalty points dahil nag 150 ka, plus 15% back ng company sa atin, which is 23 credit points. So, 35 plus 23, that is 58 loyalty points. Okay? So, mariredeem natin yan the following month of June. The following month, which is June. Okay? So, ngayon, kung meron tayong loyalty ngayon na 150 LP, okay? Ang ibibigay ng company sa atin, again, 35 bonus loyalty points plus 15% back of our product purchase, which is 23 instead of 22.50, round off to 23. So, i-add natin ang 35 plus 23 is equals to 58, which is the following month on June, okay? Pwede na po tayo magre-redeem. Sa mga old sa mga bago, you have to finish your 3 months. That is 90 days. Pagka 91 days, pwede na kayong mag-redeem. Okay? So, mas malaki ang maiipon nyo because if you are going to have loyalty every month with 150, then you have 58 credit points every month. In 3 months time, magkano yan? 58 times 3. Malaki po yan. That is 170 plus. So, pero may limit po ang ating redemption. Up to 120 lang po yung maximum. Okay? So, para yung sobra ninyo, the next month po, after your redemption, you have additional cumulative po, kumbaga, ang ating redemption. Okay? So, kumbaga, parang recurring yung ating resulta na makukuhang credit points. So, kung may naiwan ka ngayong points na ginamit mo, may natira, the following month, if you have your loyalty, it will just add to the remaining balance ng credit points. So, magagamit pa din yon. So, yun po ang mangyayari po sa ating loyalty. Now, what's the purpose of this? Bakit po tayo tinaasan ng 150 LP? But there's a great news because there's a bonus loyalty points, okay, na additional with 15 points. Lumaki naman ang ating redemption fee. So, redemption products. So, you can choose of your own product. So, anong paborito nyo? Paborito nyo Renovo? Kayang-kaya na i-redeem every month kasi Renovo is only 42. We are given 58 LP, 58 credit points that you can redeem. So, that's the good thing of having a new system kasi advantage pa rin sa atin. Because kami talaga, every time na 150 LP kami, we will only enjoy the 23 credit points. So we have to add on for how many months para makapili kami ng gusto namin. Kasi the 23 is only collagen, Ryubida sticks, Bioefa, lotion, hanggang dyan lang kung every month kaming magre-redeem. But the good thing is now, which is 58 na ang credit points natin, you can choose kung gusto nyo every month magme-maintain kayo ng Transfer Factor Plus, kayang-kaya na ng redemption natin because Transfer Factor Plus is only 55 LP na i-redeem natin, gagamitin natin yung redemption. So, pwede mo nang i-maintain ang Transfer Factor Plus. So, hindi ka na mag-aantay ng 2 months or 2 months mong ipunin para makabili ka ng Transfer Factor Plus. So, hindi lang yan, hindi lang Transfer Factor Plus. Kung hindi yan ang i-maintain niyo, gusto niyo ng Renovo, pwede niyo na mabibili yan. Sa halagang 400 plus lang. So, that's the good thing. That's the advantage pagdating sa transition. Every time there's a transition, always advantage yan sa mga distributors, sa mga affiliates. Now, the other purpose of having enhancement of our loyalty program is, of course, to at least the company wants us to give an easy or easier to move up, okay? Move up to our faster, to move up on another rank fast, okay? Mabilis na lang. So, bakit? Sa 150 kasi, if you have 3 person or affiliates under you with 150 plus ikaw 150, you are maintaining the rank of builder or builder elite. So, nagkakaroon na kayo ng $50 niyan every month kasi lahat ng mga nagpo-purchase is less than 150. Wala talagang magiging bonus yan or walang magiging bonus loyalty product. So, talagang 150 na ang bubunuin natin. So, kung lahat ng ating mga downlines nagwa 150 and you have 3 downlines or affiliates under with you na nag 150, then that's the time you will enjoy the $50 which is yung inyong volume production. Okay? Volume organization production ninyo. Aabot na siya doon sa requirements na 600 LP dahil kayong 4, ikaw at yung 3 mo nag 150, all in all 600 LP, you are going to enjoy the $50 which is 2,800. Kung kayo po ay fast start pa, okay, magta times 2 pa yan as first time na nagkaroon kayo ng na-achieve nyo yung builder or builder elite. You are going to receive not only the $50 but it will times 2, so $100 na dollar ang marireceive. So yun po. And then not only that, it is easier to rank up on the another position or level. Kasi bakit? Dahil since 150 LP tayo, mabilis na lang makukuha yung requirements na magkaroon ng mabilis na pag-level up ng bawat gustong makapag level up, okay? Magra-rank up, okay? So, ang ating product redemption po or ang product 15% back natin, always maintain yan. Okay? So, kung hindi kayo nag 150, wala po tayong magiging 35 LP or loyalty points or bonus loyalty points. So, kung below 150 kayo, only the 15% lang ang magigain ninyo. Pero kung nag 150 kayo, 35 LP or bonus loyalty points plus 23, you have 58 to enjoy every month. Whatever products you wanted to have to maintain, okay? You can choose na kahit anong gusto nyo. Okay? Kasi wala na pong hanggang 55 lang po ang LP natin na pinakamataas. So, that is more than 55. That is 58 LP already. So, okay? So, if you have any question, okay, just PM me yung hindi nyo maintindihan kasi just read the mechanics of our For Life post. Okay, doon po yan kinuha sa For Life post natin para po ma-segregate natin or anong tawag nito? Ma-cascade natin ang mga updates galing po sa For Life Company. So, yan lang po. Kung hindi po klaro sa inyo, please ask me. Do not hesitate to ask kasi I am here willing to help you to understand the mechanics, the system, para kung gusto nyo mag-rank up immediately, meron po tayong sistemang susundin para po hindi tayo mawawala at very successful. Hindi po mababaliwala kapag sinundan natin ang sistema ng For Life. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng ating sariling sistema. Okay? So, meron tayong strategy, but we should not invent we should not create to invent wheels. Okay? Kumbaga, ano bang right term doon? So, yun siya. So, I hope klaro sa inyo. Kung hindi klaro, just PM me, call me, text me, and that's the key para magkasinabot tayo. Okay? Magkaroon tayo ng tawag nito, pagkakaintindihan sa bawat isa. So, yun lang po. Maraming salamat!